Yo, yo, yo. Good morning and welcome to another Power Plays Palace. Yes, sir. So we're not going to prolong it. Let's try to get to it. Look at spot chart from Friday, man. Started out, came in, pulled down here to this low, 650.83. Then it ran all the way up to 664. That's almost $14 move. It's beautiful. Beautiful. So let's look at the chart. This was our chart. So the crazy thing is, in the beginning, you got the rejection off the 655, and it ran all the way down to the 650.83 mark. So you still could have played it down right at the open, and you would have did okay right there. Now, when it pivoted off of that 650 and started to come back up, now if you would have played the other side and just waited for it to end at the 655, 656.20 range, which we called on the chart, when it came back up, retested and broke through, you could have then played it back the other way and would have hit every level. So as of Friday's chart, you could have played in the morning, the earlier part of the day, you could have played the put side and you would have touched almost every level. And then when it reversed and started to work its way back up, you could have played the call side and then you would have did great because you'd have hit every level there too. So it's a good call on Friday. We had a good day. So everybody should have been happy whether you was a bull. Unless you was a bear and you got in early and tried to stay in hoping it come back down. And that would have been on you. With the bulls and the bears, good job on Friday. All right, so let's take a look at what we got going on now. Pre-market. SPY had a little gap up, 663. Then it came back down to 659, created a nice little range already. And now it's kind of hovering in this area. It's around the close of the day from Friday where it's hovering at. But as you can see, it's starting to work its way back up. As right now, currently, it's starting to work its way back up. But this last candle here is a nice little pullback candle, but we'll see how much traction it gets. So let's look at what we got for today. See what we got for today. Okay. Oh, Friday gave us a high of 664.53, a low of 650.85. That was a big range. Overnight, right now, it jumped back up close to the upside. That means we might be still in a little bullish range. It might go back up and retest that 680 range again. It's been trying to break through there. But we'll see. That'll be a little further down the road. But a SPY can break and hold above 663.75. And that means the buyer's probably in control. Then you probably look for a long entry between 663.85 and 664.10 with the stop right around 663.20. With the target prices being 665.60, 667.20, and 668.75. And this is like an upside continuation setup. But you want to make sure you get some good, strong candles closing and heading in that direction. Looking for the volume also to increase. It's Monday, so, holiday week. So just be mindful of all that. And if SPY pushes into the pre-market resistance at 663.20, to 663.75 and can't break through, then I'll take the short stop above 664.10 with targets at 661.80, 660.50, and 659.60. Now this is, likely fade setup that we'll call it. And if the breakout fails, then it pull back. So my whole focus for the day is gonna be letting the spy show what it want to do, and then try to play that. But I'll be looking at the 659.50 to 663.80 area, and once I get the right confirmation, some strong closes on my 5-minute chart with some clean candles, and on other people, they use the 15 and the 1 hour chart, so they should be looking at their chart. But keep your stop losses tight, and scale out, man. Make sure you check your profit target and scale out, 25, 30% on each level that you got set. And then from there, you should be good. But that's my spy plan for the day. We're bullish above 663.75, bearish below 659.46, and everything in between we'll be looking at as possible setups. Make sure you're looking at the volume, man. If it's not a lot of volume, be careful on how you getting in and out of some of these trades, because if you're trading contracts, no volume, man, it'd be hard to get out of some of these contracts. So be very mindful of that. Make sure you're looking at your delta, your theta, time decay. All those things are very important. So make sure you're paying attention to those things as you're trading throughout the day, time of the day, and as you try to work through your trade plan. Now, this is not financial advice. This is just an idea for me, a trader that trade during the day, and want to share some of that with some of you all. Now, if anything in this video is helpful to you, you're more than welcome to join us at Power Plays Palace, the YouTube channel. And you're also more than welcome to join us at Power Plays, the Discord group. So come on over and join if you think, we can help you improve on your trading by just working together and growing. Like I said, it's not financial advice, but we definitely try to have fun doing what we do. So if anything in this video helps you, like, share, and subscribe, and then we'll look out for another Power Plays on Tuesday. Let's have some fun. Let's go, baby.